Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about our Freshman Engineering Design Day project. I'm Elise and I'm here with my team members Joey, Jack, and Jiehuang, and together we are the Wolfpack Printers. So the first resource we were able to use when starting our design was the design cycle. The engineering design cycle is a really great resource to use when brainstorming for a FED project. We knew we needed to come up with a unique design that could be 3D printed to improve a vacation, so we followed each step of the cycle, which eventually led to a finished product. In the beginning of the process, we started to think about what kind of product could improve the quality or comfort of a vacation. We decided to create a wall mount that could keep toiletries off of unfamiliar surfaces, providing comfort and a sense of cleanliness. We used softwares like Tinkercad and SketchUp to create initial designs of the mount. Soon after, we had to learn about 3D printing opportunities at NC State, so we attended an orientation session about 3D printing at D.H. Hill Library. Here, we learned how to use the software to adjust and transfer our design files to the actual printers so that everything would flow smoothly. The staff in the makerspace were all very informative and helpful, which made the process much easier. We were able to perform an initial print, which took a few times just to get everything collaborated. The first print was much too small and needed to be tweaked. This is where we asked and improved to make adjustments to our design and came up with a new and improved design that was created with the right dimensions and carried out its intended functions.
During the creation process, we ran into many challenges. The first came when we tried to print the model for the first time. It was much too small and could fit in the palm of your hand, and it was obvious that no toothbrush would ever fit in those holes. Then we edited our model and went to print again, except this time the print failed. But finally, on our third try, we were able to print an accurately sized model. However, the holes were still too small, and there's no way to stick the holder to the mirror. So we used a drill to make the toothbrush holes wider and to add holes for the suction cups. Then we used a hacksaw to widen the toothpaste gap and to make it easier to fit in a travel-sized tube. After all this, our product was finally complete. When thinking of how this product could be improved, we thought about how to make it faster to print and cheaper to make. If we decided to get rid of the mouthwash cup holder and move the toothpaste squeezer to the back of the model, then the top would be much smaller. Similarly, if we cut off the back below the two suction cups, that part could also be much smaller. Having the model be smaller would make it faster and cheaper. Lastly, now that we know that the model will stick onto the mirror, we can add those suction cup holes to our model so we don't have to drill them out every single time.
Hi, I'm Jiehuang Chen. FED was a pretty good event and it was even better than I thought it was going to be. There were so many people and designs. During FED, we met many people who have interest to our project. We patiently explained what we did and how we did in this project. And also, introducing, in other words, advertising our toothbrush holder. Additionally, we got a chance to look around to see what other groups did in their projects. It was really helpful to share experiences with other group members. At the end, we got a good grade, but we didn't hit the top 3 though. What a pity. All in all, thank you, FED.
Alright, so here's some advice for future first-year engineering students that want to take on the 3D printing project for first-year engineering design day. Now, one of the biggest pieces of advice I can give is a typical but extremely valuable one. Do not procrastinate. Waiting until the last minute to do assignments and to begin printing not only puts unnecessary stress on your teammates, but also means that you'll have more competition at the end of the semester for 3D printers and resources from the resource room. This is because there are many E101 sections with 3D printing groups, plus other groups may want to 3D print parts for their projects as well. The next piece of advice I want to give is also extremely important. Make sure you all work as a team, dividing assignments and agreeing on roles for each team member is a great way to achieve goals and complete your work on time. Working as a team also means building off of each other's ideas. During the brainstorming process, don't be afraid to put out crazy, innovative ideas. Because even if it isn't a part of the final project, it still gives your teammates a basis to snowball off of and to create parts for your final project. It's difficult to brainstorm without communication, though, which brings me to my next topic. Without communication, nothing can be accomplished. Make sure your team has one common platform for discussion and determining when and where to meet. If even a single group member misses a significant meeting, it can set the whole project back and postpone its completion.